Hey there, performance fans! Porsche just dropped some huge news about the 2025 Taycan, and trust me, you're going to want to hear this. We're looking at more power, longer range, and some seriously impressive charging upgrades across the entire lineup. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk power. Porsche isn't playing around here. The new Taycan GTS is an absolute monster, pumping out 690 horsepower. That's 75 more than before. And get this, they've added a Formula 1 style push-to-pass button that gives you an extra burst of power for 10 seconds. 0 to 60? A blistering 3.3 seconds. That's supercar territory, folks. But here's what's really impressive: the range. One of the biggest criticisms of electric cars has always been range anxiety, but Porsche has seriously stepped up their game. The Taycan GTS can now go up to 390 miles on a single charge, and if you opt for the new entry-level Taycan 4 with the bigger battery pack, you're looking at a whopping 400 miles. That's Tesla territory, and then some. Speaking of charging, the 2025 Taycan is faster than ever. Find an 800-volt DC fast charger, and you can pump up to 320 kilowatts into this thing. Plus, the regenerative braking system can now recover up to 400 kilowatts when you're slowing down from high speeds. That's like having a mini power plant under your right foot. Now let's talk about what might be the sweet spot in the lineup: the new GTS. If you know Porsche, you know GTS models are always special, and this one's no different. You get these gorgeous black accents everywhere, exclusive wheels, and an interior that's wrapped in Racetex material. It feels like a race car, but one you can actually live with every day. But maybe the biggest news is the new entry-level Taycan 4. For the first time, you can get an all-wheel drive Taycan sedan without breaking the bank. Well, relatively speaking, this is still a Porsche after all. It'll do 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds, which is plenty quick. And you get all the good stuff like LED matrix headlights and adaptive air suspension standard. Porsche's even thrown in some new paint options, including this absolutely stunning purple sky metallic. Trust me, it looks even better in person than it does on camera. Inside, you're getting Porsche's latest interface, which is cleaner and more intuitive than ever. The GTS models even get this cool countdown timer in the gauge cluster for when you're using the push-to-pass feature. It's these little details that make Porsche, well, Porsche. So what's the verdict? Look, the original Taycan was already an incredible car, but this 2025 update takes everything that was good and makes it even better. More range, more power, faster charging. It's hard to find anything to complain about here. Sure, we don't have US pricing yet, and you'll have to wait until early 2025 to actually get your hands on one, but I think it'll be worth the wait. Bottom line, the 2025 Taycan isn't just a great electric car, it's a great car, period. Porsche has managed to combine the instant torque of electric motors with the kind of handling and driver engagement they're famous for. And now with up to 400 miles of range, there's really no compromise. But hey, that's just my take. What do you think about the updated Taycan? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Until next time, drive safe and stay charged. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.